This portion of today's video is sponsored by Reboot Software by Tenorshare. With the help of this software, you can get solution for any problem related to iOS, and that too without any data loss. After installing this software on your computer, you will get all of the step-by-step instructions regarding how to use this software, and the entire user interface is very simple, so any normal consumer can easily learn this software and get the solution for their iPhone. I have given the link to this software in the description in case you are interested. What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, today Apple has conducted their October 13th event, and in this particular event there are so many things to discuss, but in today's video I'm only going to be discussing regarding the 4 new iPhones. Well guys, we already knew all of the information regarding every single iPhone. Well guys, first of all, there is the iPhone 12 mini which starts at $699. Then it is the iPhone 12 that starts at $799. Then is the iPhone 12 Pro that starts at $999, and then is the iPhone 12 Pro Max that starts at $1,099. And basically all of the price tags, the body design, the specifications, and all of the things that you are getting with this iPhones, we already knew it couple of months ago. Well guys, we got all of the leaks and information, and it turns out most of them are correct. Well guys, there is one particular thing, and that is the new ceramic glass. Well guys, Apple has made a special kind of compound because of which the displays will be more durable. Well guys, again, jerry-rig everything says that glass is glass and glass can break. So basically, even if Apple implements diamond technology, still it can break. But guys, overall, I should also admit that all of the new stunning colors are absolutely gorgeous. Well guys, this is the first time when Apple is launching 4 new iPhones, and first time you can buy an iPhone depending upon your budget. And guys, if you feel that the $699 price tag is little bit too much, then you can opt for the iPhone 11 because it has just had a nice price drop. And guys, overall the entire iPhone 12 lineup is going to be very popular. Well guys, every year we think that Apple makes very few changes, but it turns out that every year making few changes is Apple's own legacy. Well guys, with the help of today's video, I wanted to tell you that the new iPhones are out in the market, and from now on I will come with lots of videos. So if you want to stay updated regarding all of those videos, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.